This is Brian Stovall of the Brico Group Incorporated with this week's Form 1099 tax tip update, where we're going to discuss particularly how small business owners and rental property owners can file for the upcoming 1099 reporting requirements. Now let's do a brief overview of what in particular we're going to discuss. We're going to provide updates regarding Form 1099 reporting for small business owners and rental property owners. We're going to tell you who is affected. We're going to tell you when the changes take place. We're also going to tell you what the changes mean to your small business or your rental property. And let's jump right into it with Form 1099 reporting for rental property owners. Essentially, the Small Business Jobs Act of 2010 is the legislation that has made the changes for rental property owners. The changes will take place on January 1st of 2011, and what the changes require are landlords to issue 1099 miscellaneous reports for payments totaling $600 or more during the course of the year for any type of expenses relating to their rental activity. The Act also increases the penalties for non-compliance or non-filing of those 1099s for rental property owners. Next, we'll take a look at the Form 1099 for small businesses. And these changes are enacted by the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act of 2010. This will affect small business owners and also corporations. It's also known as the Health Care Bill. The changes for this particular act will take place on January 1st of 2012. And small business owners and corporations must report payments totaling $600 or more to corporate and non-corporate recipients. And this is where the change is from prior years. Now, as a rental property owner or a small business owner, what is your next step? Well, you want to start now getting the forms you need to be compliant with the new tax laws and the reporting laws for Form 1099. You also want to notify your vendors of the change. You want to also test your accounting systems to ensure that the correct information is extracted when filing Form 1099 miscellaneous for your rental or your small business activity. And you want to stay tuned, because with this being the end of the year, there may be changes in this lame duck session of Congress before the end of the year that may repeal some of these new 1099 laws. Now, be on the lookout for our next video, where essentially we're going to show you how to report Form 1099 payments using your accounting software and or a mail merge solution with a Microsoft Office product. Again, this is Brian Stovall of the Brico Group Incorporated.com and also of the Tech Accountant with this week's tax tech tip, signing off. Thank you.